The Bluebird. Once upon a time, in a magical forest, there lived a tiny fairy named Lila. Lila's cozy treehouse was adorned with a tiny white couch, a little bed with yellow coverings, and a lovely pink bathroom framed in gold. She even had a small garden with potted flowers just behind her tree. Lila shared her treehouse with a friendly bluebird named Sky. Sky was a good bird, but not the brightest. One sunny Sunday morning, Lila decided to make pancakes for breakfast. She asked Sky to fetch some syrup from the kitchen. Sky, being a bit clueless, searched every corner but found no syrup. He scratched his feathery head and said, "Maybe I can go out and bring some honey instead." Off he flew to a nearby beehive, thinking it was a brilliant idea. The bees, however, were not pleased. They buzzed around him, their tiny wings vibrating with anger. Sky, panicking, darted back to the treehouse, slamming the door shut. Lila, curious about the commotion, asked, "What's wrong, Sky? Did you get the honey?" Sky hesitated. "Well, I tried to get it from the beehives." Lila's eyes widened. "Oh no. You see, bees work hard to make honey. We should have bought it instead of taking it. Now they're upset with us." The bees outside threatened to sting both Sky and Lila for the theft of their precious honey. Sky learned a valuable lesson that day. Honesty and kindness matter more than a jar of sweet honey. And so from then on, he always flew straight to the market to buy honey for Lila's pancakes. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.